sitting in the same hole we've been in. We've seen bucks and does every time we've been to this sit. We got a little bit of a different wind. We got more like a southeast wind, east wind. It's pushing in here, but maybe nothing will bust us this morning. It's cool. It's the same old story. You can't see my breath, but it's in the 20s. The deer ought to be on their feet, Lord willing. I come in here last night, got in the stand at like 12:30. Seen 3 bucks before 3 o'clock. No, before 2 o'clock. And then had that one trickle down through here, and I had one bedded out in front of me, so that was good stuff. We're looking for one a year older than what we've been seeing. I sure hope he comes through here. But if he does, y'all be the first to know it. So let's get in here and do it, man. You can see the sun rising behind me. It's probably it's a little bit cloudy this morning. Probably 25-30 minutes before I can see it shoot. It's gonna be good, boys. It's gonna be good. Hey, get out of here, stupid ignorant. Get out of here. I really hope that turns out in my favor. I know what I wanted to do. Rifle ammo's too expensive.
Hey y'all, so I just wanted to jump on here and kind of explain what had going through my mind with this critter. Obviously, this deer looks very sick, poor, and nasty looking, so I don't know if it's got EHD or CWD or pink tongue or whatever it may be, but can't help but feel bad for this little guy.
All right, boys, it's about 9:30. Movement's been pretty consistent all morning. You've seen the bucks I've seen, so the one that just come underneath me a minute ago, I don't know if it's the same one I seen earlier this morning back behind me, but I thought I seen a nice buck behind me, but I only seen him for a second, so I don't know if that was him that just come under me or not. But I wish my feet wasn't so cold. I'd love to stay. There goes a doe right there. There goes a doe. Something might happen. Here we go.
Yuck. 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 Yuck.
So looking back at this footage, that was a really nice buck. 90% of the time, in most places I hunt, I'd have shot that deer, but we did know there was some bigger deer in the area, so we decided to pass on this one.
That was a nice buck. He was, I don't know if he was a shooter or not. He didn't really give me no shot. He was just, I had to grunt at him and he looked back, but I never really could get a good look at him. He's a year older than what I've been seeing. It's 11 o'clock. I'm thinking these bucks are moving midday. But he was definitely a year older than the ones that are in here. That's a good sign though, man. He got me plumb shook up. The bucks, when they use that trail out there, they do one of two things. Every single one of them's done it. They either give you about one step in a shooting lane, or they'll walk right out here where you got plenty of room to look at them. Boy, he got me plumb tore up, son. I mean, I grabbed the gun and was about to fire down on him. But I don't think If he comes out and gives me a broadside shot, I'll probably shoot him. But he's in that borderline. Boy, I'm telling you, look at me. I didn't even shoot the deer. Look at me. I was hoping when I blowed that grunt call at him, he'd, come out here in the open so I could really look at him. Boy, I'm shaking like a leaf, and I didn't even shoot him.